Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, location services on, iOS updated, and Wi-Fi or cellular ready. Open Apple Maps and type the exact address. You want a precise pin. Once the map locates it, tap directions and select driving or the mode you need. Make sure to tap the single preferred route shown. Apple will present alternatives, but you choose the one labeled as the primary option. This gets navigation active, so you can begin guidance immediately. Now refine the route so it becomes the only way you'll follow. Tap options and toggle avoid tolls or avoid highways if you need a specific path. This removes alternatives. Next, set departure or arrival time to get realistic traffic predictions. Apple recalculates ETA accordingly. Use lane guidance and turn preview to study tricky intersections before you get there. Once done, press go and lock the route. Apple will keep you on that selected line unless you explicitly pick another. You're in the final phase. Follow the chosen route and listen to voice prompts. Make sure Do Not Disturb while driving is enabled for fewer interruptions, and use CarPlay if your car supports it for safer controls. If you accidentally leave the path, Apple will recalculate. However, if it picks a different alternative, tap Recenter and force the original route again. If guidance fails entirely, check location services and network. Toggling them off and on usually resolves positioning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.